And so guys, on today's DIY, we are starting by tracing and cutting out two cardboards. Yeah. And actually, as you can see, my mirror is not that round, that perfect, because the person who cut it, actually I cut it from a local duka ya kukata vioo. Actually, it's not that perfect, but I think we are going to work out with it that way. And so next we are going to draw lines on one of the cardboards, simply as I'm doing. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe down below if you have not subscribed, and turn on the post notification bell so that every time I'll be posting a new video, you'll be among the first people to watch my videos. And so give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share it with your friends, because it might also be useful to them, because trust me guys, this sunburst mirror is very beautiful. Kindly watch till the end and you'll see it for yourself. And these are the lines that I drew. Actually, there are, I think, 16. Yeah, 16 or 32. I think there are 16. Then next, you're going to using a protractor. And actually, it's not a must to use a protractor. If you don't have, you can find something circular around your house and you can use it. So I'm going to draw like 3 circles. That is 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. And actually you can add another circle, because later I added another circle that is 10 centimeters. Yeah, you can add another circle if you wish, because I added another circle later because I thought it will be necessary. So draw the circles around it. After drawing the circles, you're going to draw 16 other lines to make the whole of them 32 lines. Yeah, you're simply going to divide the 2 small lines that you already have to make them 32. And this time, as you are drawing, you're not reaching like the end, you're reaching the 12 centimeter circle. You draw up to the 12 centimeter circle. And next we are going to glue down these bamboo skewers. Actually, they are 30 centimeters long. I use the 30 centimeter long ones, and we're going to glue them down using hot glue gun. And first you're going to start with the outside, we are going to start with the 12 centimeter mark. So you're going to glue them down at the 12 centimeter mark. And then next we are going to glue them down at the 4 centimeter mark. It's so easy, by the way. You can just see it the way I'm doing. It's easy. You can do this. It's so easy. And next, as I told you, I drew another 10 centimeter mark. So I'm going to place bamboo skewers at the 10 centimeter mark as I'm doing. And then I'm going to fill in left the spaces that are left so that they are many, yani zikuwe pamoja, yeah? Get it? And then using contact glue, I'm going to place this other cardboard on top of it so that it covers the bamboo skewers. Yeah, I'm using contact glue. Actually, I could have used the glue gun, but the glue gun dries up quickly. So by the time I'm done with placing it the whole board, it will have dried. So I would advise you to use contact glue because it's effective by there, and it sticks so well. So here we're going to use contact glue. And after all that, I spray painted the skewers gold. I spray painted them using the gold spray paint. And for this mirror, I had rhinestone, so I placed it all round. Though the mirror is not that perfect, but it still looks good. So next we are going to stick the mirror on the board using contact glue still. I will not advise you to use the glue gun because it dries up so quickly. So by the time you'll be done with it, it won't stick. And then next, after attaching the mirror, I placed these small acrylic mirrors along on the longer skewers. Yeah, I placed them on the longer skewers. And if you don't have the acrylic mirrors, actually on my next sunburst mirror DIY, I will show you how to make your own acrylic mirrors, the small mirrors, if you don't have these ones, because these ones I bought from a friend who makes these things. So on my next video, I will show you how to make these acrylic mirrors on your own. It's not a must that you buy them.